Question for you. Are you still living paycheck to paycheck?
If you do, don't feel bad. More than 60% Americans still do. We can break this cycle.
Number 1, you must know who you are. Know what you really want, why you want it, and why you need to get there. And know how to get there. It is a must. 2, you must get out of the wrong circle and choose the quality relationship. Do not listen to your friends and family who are not prove to you what you're looking for. The evidence of their lives not in order, their finance not in order, and you see how the way they live. You must get out from the wrong circle as soon as possible. You need to circle yourself with the right quality people that can help bring you to reach your full potential. Doesn't mean you stop being friends to them or stop talking to your family. No, you must choose your quality time. Everybody have the same 24 hours. But how do you use it, that 24 hours? So prioritize your life so you can achieve your goal, so you can be successful. And a true success is what looks based upon how you design your 24 hours, how you design daily activity, weekly activity, and designs monthly, yearly, 5-year, 10-year plan from now. So that is involving with the people you work with, the friends you hang out with, the family you're talking to every day. If they don't value you, if they don't add value to your life, if they bring you down, they not support you, or they have no idea how to support you, and they don't know how to help you to reach your full potential, then yeah, get out as quick as possible, or minimize your time. If you want to reach your goal in 5 years,
Gotta keep your distance from some people.
everyone has debts. This is America. We all consume debt. Well, recognize your debt and pay it off as soon as possible. Number 4, organize your money. Organize your finances. Know when it's coming and know when it's going out. Pay all your bills off early as soon as possible. Well, you can utilize other people's money, but you got to be careful. You must know what you're doing. Everyone have different talents, different abilities. If you can't rise above your debts, you will sinking in the sand. So pay off your debt. Number 5, stop pretending to be rich or live like rich, but instead live like you are poor, but rich in spirit, and you have more to give to others. But that is truly rich, and you have reward in heaven. And that is truthfully successful people.
However,
life lives with unexpectancy. Things can go wrong, like plumbing, car broke down, and medical bills. So everyone must have emergency fund. Your emergency fund must be equivalent to all the expenses for your monthly bill, and you multiply that to 7, 9, or 12 months if you can. And that is a saving that you should save aside. Open a saving or money market account for that emergency fund and leave it there. Make sure you can access to it at any time that you need to. Now we at number 7. You must investing and tithing. In my experience, 70% are living costs and bills. 10% continue adding to emergency fund. 10% continue investing, and 10% tithing. So this is the 7 habits that I practice for my success in life. I'm hoping this information are helpful to you. If it is, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it for your support. Love you all.